There's a ton of police.
There's like a billion police here. They're waiting for us.
What is going on here?
Why would anyone be mad at two pretty ladies like us?
Pretty ladies.
Why would anyone be mad at two pretty ladies like us?
Oi, bloke, look at that car then.
Hello, Nicholas Burling here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my van with a radio. We're heading out to Chilliwack to work on the apartment again. And hopefully this is the last time I'll be making a video about working on my apartment because, or at least my Chilliwack apartment, because hopefully it's going to be done very soon.
This footage of you sanding a door is kind of boring. Can you do it sexier? Okay. Is this that most satisfying thing that people talk about?
Painting doors?
Yeah. Ooh, look. It was not white and now it is white. Colonialism.
Ooh, that is awkward. Necrophilia.
I got your face to be really white. You look so white right now.
When do I not look so
Oh my god,
white?
girl, your whiteness is like on point.
Are you kidding? When is my whiteness ever not on point?
Girl, the sun is making you, it's
There's no sun! Are you kidding me?
the,
What
girl,
sun?
ooh, it looks like you're in the void. This is very cool.
we're
I don't know how this happened. I love this phone and its little lighting things.
We're splooging again.
Seriously, I know you're busy splooging, but the lighting, it's put you into a void. It's very cool.
Cool.
And there's a mirror in this void. It's very nice.
Oh no. Oh, I dribbled like...
I love that woman and her husband.
If I were a single man, I might ask that mommy out. That's a good looking mommy.
I love that. Is that Bill Clinton?
Yeah. Sure, if I could, I'd try it before. You know, the one thing that's wrong with this country, everyone gets a chance to have their fair say.
Yeehaw, cowgirl.
The Constitution says of the people, by the people, or for the people. That's what the Declaration of Independence says.
I want a toucanut. It's a toucan mixed with a coconut. And you crack it open and drink what's inside.
Drink what's inside a toucan shaped like a coconut.
Sure.
Mm-hmm. I got you. Don't got you.
I'm gonna be really authentic right now. The way that you're painting this door does not really make me think one thing or another.
Interesting. How weird.
And back to the show. Oh my, look at that door, mate! Oh, wow! Wow, Yo, what's up? It's a radio at my pad. You know how it is. We live in. And, today I just thought that I would just and show you what's up. Balcony. We gotta be quiet because we're on the balcony and we're outside. Isn't it nice, the sun? Feel it on your skin. Okay, now we go back inside. And now we're in here. We're in here, and now we're over here, and now we're in the kitchen, and now we have a drill, and now we're over here again. I'm really good at vlogging.
Nice.
Hey, there's a bug! A bug! It's a bug!
See what you say? Oh, that's hilarious. Yeah, I know the sound travels pretty easily. That was hilarious.
I was looking for my mask, but he's gone. It don't matter.
He's just stopped by to tell us he could hear us from down there.
If you're sitting all alone, just know I'm watching you. It'll be okay, just stay in this room. Stay in this room and I'll be your best friend. Please don't make it end, I'll be your best friend.
Stay in this room, and I'm feeling good.
It's hilarious that everyone in the building can just hear it.
We're filming. Talk. We have new curtains. Aren't they curtainy and okay? I like them. They make the place more curtained. And they have a neutral color, so they work with white. I guess anything works with white. So I didn't have to be particularly creative. But I have curtains. And you can't see light peeking through different areas. So thumbs up. I give it 3.5 stars. Excellent.
Oh, hi. You here to help on my place?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Camera full.
Hi.
There's a lot of camera lenses on the back of this thing.
Oh, what?
Camera, like, lens things.
Kelsey, your camera.
We painted in here, although Katie would say otherwise, and mopped the floor, fixed a couple nicks on the floor, painted the bathroom,
I didn't need to be fixed.
cleaned the baseboards, cleaned the kitchen.
We did all sorts of things.
I don't know what else.
Well, we got all the walls painted, finished that little chip in the floor, and patched all the walls. You probably said all of this anyway. Cleaned the kitchen here, got some Indian food, cleaned the fridge, cleaned the floors, touched up some doors. The door in the bathroom's done. Check this out. Doesn't have a door handle yet. But the door's white now, so that's a bonus. It wasn't white before.
Oh, so what's the second?
That's about it. When I come back next time, I'm gonna have to install the towel bar here. Also install the door handle on the door here. Do a last little touch-up clean. That's a hole. And then we'll be done, hopefully. So stay tuned and I'll check back in with you again shortly. But for now, this looks like it's going to be my last time here for the week. So this is going to be the end of the video. And as always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more content like this, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. And until next time, have a great day, and thank you to my friends for helping me out, Kelsey and someone who will remain unnamed. Thank you very much. Did you enjoy cleaning today?
Ooh, yeah.
Have fun out in Chilliwack?
Good times. There was a crazy thunderstorm. It was awesome.
Yes.
While we ate dinner. It looks really good. I see a difference.